welcome to my channel, Naturally Hey. If you like my curls, stay tuned and so I can show you how I got this style. So these are the products that I'll be using to achieve my twist out. All Mielle Organic Rosemary Mint Collection. So right here I have the hair mask right in front. Behind I have the shampoo. I have the daily styling cream. And I have the edge gel and the scalp and hair oil. And I'm so excited to use these products and I can't wait to see how my hair is going to turn out, so stay tuned. So I started off by washing my hair and I used the Rosemary Mint shampoo. This shampoo smells so good and it lathers in my hair so well and it makes my hair actually hella soft. And so I'm using this purple head massager thing I got from Amazon. And I always use this when I wash my hair. It makes the experience so much better. So now that I washed my hair twice, I'm now about to put the hair mask in my hair. So first, before I do that, I'm going to part my hair into sections, into 4 sections. So you see the back section right here. I'm just combing it out, making sure that my hair is all detangled. And so yes, with this hair mask, girl, it smells so good. It lathers very well. I'm trying to get it from my roots into the ends of my hair just to make sure my hair is retaining all of the product. And I let this sit in my hair for about 15 minutes and this is how I styled it. So 15 minutes later, I just rinsed my hair out from the mask and now I'm about to get ready to style it. So I used the Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream and this works wonders on my hair. So my hair is already detangled and so I just started to lather it. As you can see, I'm just trying to make sure the cream is in my hair from the roots to the end. And so now you can see I'm flat twisting my hair. I'm not the best, prettiest flat twister, but you know, I'm gonna make a way to get the job done. And so when I get down to the ends, as you can tell, I'm gonna leave a little bit of space so then I can just use the roller to just roll it on up. I don't know what I was looking at. And just tighten it so it can stay and it can be locked in really tight and secure. And so I'm going to use these rollers for all of my head when I get done. And so now that I'm on this part, oh girl, my edges was looking so right. It had my edges really laid. And, you know, doing the same thing as I'm going to do for my whole head. And so I can see how it comes out. My whole head is done. I feel really accomplished. And now I'm about to use a rosemary scalp and hair oil. I never used scalp oil before and I'm really excited about using it. It felt so good on my scalp. Like any type of scalp massage, anything, it feels really good. And so I applied this all over my head in those 4 sections that I separated my hair in. So now it's time to lay these edges with the edge gel. And I just took a small amount and put it all over my edges on both sides so I can get ready to wrap it on up. Now I'm about to use this wrap scarf to lay my edges down and I can get ready to sit under the dryer and get ready to go to sleep and see the results in the morning. So excited. So now I'm about to take my hair down. This is always like the exciting, most nervous part because it's like you can already see how your hair gonna turn out. And so just taking it out, feeling if my hair is still damp or not. It's a little bit damp, but I wanna go for those soft, loose, wavy curls. So I really don't mind. And so now it's time to take them apart and see how the look is gonna turn out. And you know, I'm liking these loose curls that I see and everything. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see it a little bit closer. Okay, see the curl pattern. We getting there, we getting somewhere. Okay, girl, I see you. So now I'm just trying to figure out how I want to style my hair. Like if I want to wear my hair half up, half down. Do I want to wear it down? This is always the hardest part when I have curls, is making the decision of how I want to style my hair. So this is how I'm going to style my hair. I just decided to do like a side part. And so now all I got to do is lay my edges again, and then I'm ready to go. So this is the final product. I really love using this Rosemary Mint Collection, one of my favorites. So thank you all for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more. Bye.